and the up. Valentine Rose moving up is Alabanian Queen, then running by the Lovable Princess. Sweet and Gorgeous comes next, followed by Dugo's Favorite. Kampai moving up in between runners, then comes is Strong Boy Triple Threat, followed by Bull Rock, while entry number 1, Paragood's Order is running at the tail of the field, about to pass the half-mile pole. Lovable Princess, this time by about 4 lengths, running in second, Alabanian Queen, then on the outside, Sweet and Gorgeous. Kampai racing in fourth, running by the Real Strong Boy, then followed now by Dugo's Favorite, Valentine Rose, Triple Threat, Paragood's Order, and Bull Rock is now running in behind them as they race at the last 450. Lovable Princess, Sweet and Gorgeous is on the outside. Alabanian Queen in between runners. Kampai is on the outside. Strong Boy is by the rail with the last 150 more to run. This one, Lovable Princess by about 3 lengths. Running now in second is Strong Boy, Alabanian Queen, Kampai. With the last 50 meters, another Jeff Sarati mount. This one on Lovable Princess. Second, Strong Boy, Kampai, Alabanian Queen, and Valentine Rose for your Fentafecta.
4386.